Refer to the standard layout drawing and set out your walls for the fitting rooms to the dimensions as per the drawing. Unpack and check all of the equipment as per the list attached. Each fitting room is shipped in its own crate, which includes a bench seat, a mirror, pre-finished board wall panels, door jamb and hardware, split battens, birch plywood wall panel, coat hook, doorstop and installation hardware. DDA crates contain more wall panels and a wider door for some regions. Fit the split battens to the stud walls. Note the correct orientation of the split batten with open side facing down. Cut spaces to speed up the installation of the top and bottom split battens. Fit 6mm MDF to the bottom perimeter to aid fixing of the wall panels. The plywood panel comes in 2 sections. Note smaller panel is on top. The 2 sections are positioned together using the biscuits supplied. Fit off timber cleat to rear of plywood panel. Allow gap for split batten. Fit off split battens. Measure panel height and allow 20mm for the split batten to engage. Cut all panels to height. Take note to only cut the bottom of the panels. Take note of the correct orientation of the split batten open side facing up. The plywood panel is always installed first. Raise the panel to engage the split battens. Allow 5mm tolerance between the wall and the panel split battens. Pack under the panel to achieve correct height. The panel will fit flush to the set ceiling. Screw through to the MDF substrate. Fixing points to be below skirting height. The skirting is not supplied by Gibson. Remove the packers. Place the seat frame against the back wall. Place the plywood seat lid on the frame. After the side wall panels are fitted, the seat frame can be screwed into the back wall panel. The seat lid can be scribed to suit the opening. Trim the pre-finished wall panels to fit. Always trim the bottom of the panels. Install pre-finished boards to either side of the seat first. Stand in place and slide back to flush fit with the plywood panel. Lift and pack the panels. Screws fix below the skirting height. Once the side panels are installed, scribe as required and fix off the seat. Locate the corridor panels, which will be supplied from bulk stock. Measure and cut the panels to fit internal dimensions. Note that the edged side fits flush with the wall panel and the cut side will be covered by the door jamb when fitted. Measure and cut the door jamb to the required height. Depending on your region, you may have a door jamb rebated to match the door lock fitted in the factory. Use glue to assist holding the door jamb in place. Measure and cut the architrave to suit. Separate 2-piece architrave and screw fix the substrate. Note 1 screw is positioned through to wall panel and 1 through to door jamb. Glue trim to architrave substrate and clamp as required. Depending on your region, you may have a lock fitted in the factory. Note that the lock height must be matched to the rebated door jamb. Depending on your region, your door may be rebated for hinges. Fit off hinges to the door. Position and install the door. Note that additional support for the door can be achieved using longer screws through the hinges. The mirror comes fitted with split battens from the factory. Secure split battens to the wall, screwing through to the stud work where possible. Hang the mirror. Install the coat hook. Install the doorstop. Install the door handles. Install the corridor wall panels. When installing nibs, hide the cut side of the panels behind the edge side of the boards. External nib caps can be screwed from the inside if the wall is open. When screw fixing the panels, always fix below the skirting height. Caulk gaps where visible. Clean and finish. Fitting room? Finished. Gibson support is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for any questions you may have.